So, kagaya nitong commenter na to, ang daming na-anxious or basically parang kaya sila takot na mag-DIY is laging nag-worry about kung paano ba kunin yung certificate of good standing kasi I understand naman na mahirap tong i-request ng dali-dali lang sa, your employer or sa client mo, especially if you have multiple clients. So, not to worry because this can actually be independently requested. So, ito kasi yung Certificate of Good Standing or Certificate of Existence, which basically makes sure, ito yung requirement sa UHE, na nag-prove na 1 year na nagbabayad ng tax or nag-exist itong company na to, na matagal na siyang registered at least for a year, right? So, usually, ito ay isang public government document. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, just like kunyari sa BIR or like in the Philippines, madali sa DTI, madaling ihanapin yung certificate of registration or kung totoo ba itong website na to, ganyan, di ba? Like, itong business na to. So, in the US, you can actually just type in yung state nila. Like, for example, alabama.sos.gov. SOS means state secretary. Like, so, usually kasi yung state secretary nag-a-apostle nun and yun din yung website kung saan mo mahanap yung business entity search. So, basically, kailangan mong hanapin doon yung LLC or yung business registered name ng client mo. Ngayon, kung hindi mo mahanap doon, pwede din na ibang state sila naka-registered or like pwede rin hindi sila naka-register or medyo sa iba din, pwedeng ang name na ginagamit nila, yan yung parang trade license nila. So, they have another company na registered and then they're doing business as this company na alam mo yung name. So, dito medyo magkakaroon ng complication kasi kailangan mong malaman kung ano yung original, like yung main company nila na naka-register. And then, you have to get their trade license. So, this is also available naman sa State Secretary dun sa Business Entity Search. So, ayun, if you have any problems getting it, just, comment down below or, message me and I'll try to see kung paano hanapin doon. Kasi so far, what I see online, ang mga available lang is either Canada, US, some yung sa mga British, tsaka yung Australia. Pero yung mga other countries, medyo mahirap hanapin or mahirap kunin. So, I understand that, but